Beautiful souls. Today, we are embarking on a soul stirring journey towards radical self love and acceptance. Let's release the shackles of self doubt and embrace our authentic selves with open arms. Remember, you are a masterpiece in progress, and your journey towards self love is worthy of celebration and reverence. So let's walk this path together, hand in hand, as we awaken to the love that resides within. Welcome once again, my lovely souls, to our EFT tapping session focused on embracing self love and confidence. Find a comfortable position and take 3 deep breaths. And let's begin. So now, I want you all to get into that sensation when you went through that lack of self love in yourself, experiencing anxiety, fear of rejection, emptiness, shame, or any other feeling. Dive deeper into that emotion. Now, rate the intensity of your emotion from 1 to 10, where 1 being the lowest and 10 being the highest. So now we will start with the tapping. First, we'll start with the karate chop. Even though I may have doubts about my worthiness and struggle with self love, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I may have doubts about my worthiness and struggle with self love, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I may have doubts about my worthiness and struggle with self love, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. We'll start with the meridian tapping. Even though I sometimes doubt my worthiness, I choose to love and accept myself unconditionally. I acknowledge any doubts or insecurities I may have about myself. I have carried these doubts for too long, but it's time to let them go. I choose to embrace my worthiness and recognize my inherent value. I release any negative belief about myself that holds me back. I am worthy of love, abundance, and all the blessings of life has to offer. I choose to love and accept myself just I am, with all the flaws and everything. I release the need to seek validation from others and find validation within myself. I am deserving of love, respect, and all the good things life has to offer. I am worthy. I am enough. I choose to embrace my worthiness and live with confidence and self love. I am worthy. I am enough. I am worthy. I am enough. I am worthy. I am enough. Relax. Take 3 deep breaths. Allow yourself to sit with the feelings that may have surfaced during this tapping session. Remember, self love is a journey, and each tapping session brings you closer to embracing your worthiness and living abundantly. Thank you for tuning in. Have a great day.